In this video, I'm going to introduce you to SuperGradients. SuperGradients is a library for training state-of-the-art or SOTA computer vision models. It supports quantization-aware training, knowledge distillation, and also transfer learning. This library was used to train the SOTA detection and post-estimation models YOLO-NAS and YOLO-NAS POSE. This is the YOLO-NAS POSE website, and I'll drop the link in video's description. But as you can see, this YOLO NAS has a very high precision on all the floating points and on the latency benchmark. It is a truly groundbreaking object detection large language model. The way it has been configured, that it is a product of advanced neural architecture technology, and it primarily addresses the limitations of all the YOLO models. So all in all, in very simple words, if you want to detect objects and images, then YOLO NAS or YOLO models are your friend. Coming back to this super gradient, as I said that if you want to train all of the state-of-the-art vision models, then this super gradients make it so easy. If you browse through their GitHub repo, you will see that they have given a lot of examples where meticulously at a very granular level, you can detect the object. For instance, in this first video, you can see that this library was able to detect the cyclists and the car separately and with a very high precision. Now, they have also shown some of the graphs where they have compared different models and their performance on the accuracy and latency, and you can see that YOLO NAS is outperforming almost everything else. And then there is a POSE estimation, efficient frontier, and a lot of other stuff. Okay, now let me scroll down to see you how you can get started with it. All you need to do is to run these commands where you are first loading the model with the pre-trained cocoa weights, and then you are evaluating the model, and then if you give it a dummy input in ONNX format, it will convert the model to ONNX, and then you can start working with it. If you want to install it locally, all you need to do is to do pip install super gradients. But remember, you would need a beefy GPU and system in order to do that. They also have a very good website where you can request the free trial or you can join their Discord. Now, if I go here, there are a lot of other documents where you can have training scripts, where you can have recipes for quick reproduction of SOTA model, which you can use. And then you can also tinker along with the hyperparameter. Also, one other implementation is this Deci AI, where you can simply run this one Python command to get started with your dataset. But make sure that you already have set up your dataset. And this is pretty much it. I will drop the link to all of these in video's description so that you can follow along. But again, if you want to do the image detection with your own dataset and models and what you want high quality super precision, then this is the way to go. The Super Gradients library. I hope that you liked it and it was informative. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.